You can write quite fast in one breath from beginning to the end, one item followed by the other, like a chain with handles for each step. You'll never have to worry about time pressure, not even word count, using our 𝗖𝗂 function filling. Even the beginners can use these mechanisms to improve dramatically up to 2 band scores, say from 5 to 7 or 7 to 9. In our course series, we deal with approaches and big structures first, then applied dimensional mechanisms and vertical functions to attack an 𝗖𝗂. From language skills such as word choices, grammatical accuracy, variety of sentence patterns, to coherent paragraphs. As well as transitional rhetorical devices for 𝗖𝗂 layout and body organizations. This reflects not only writing skills, but also mentality, ideology, and cultural influence, and more. To name just a few for your thorough mastery and easy use. We make all this possible for our students in different situations and have seen miracles happen and dreams came true. We have confidence in you. Thank you.